Nah, man. Honestly, I just really want that ZL1. I'm gonna have to go on somewhere else.
All right, welcome to the channel. And today we are back with another video of people trying to purchase a car they really can't afford and probably shouldn't be behind the wheel of. Before we get into it, if you could hit that like button, it helps get the video out. Please consider subscribing. All right, let's get right into it.
Hello?
Hey, Will.
Hey, who's this?
Hey, Will. This is Gus for Legacy Motor Cars. I just ran your credit app and I got an approval, man. But I think you're gonna need a little bit more down payment.
So the first thing that comes to mind there is he's got bad credit. Of course, he does have bad credit. This is what the video is about. I've purchased a brand new car before, never needed down payment.
So I think you said you wanted to put 10,000 down. Are you able to work with 25? That's what they're asking for.
Man, I'm gonna tell you, I barely got the 10,000.
So he's got 10 grand. Why not take 5 grand, go buy yourself a nice, reliable car, good on fuel, maybe take the other 5 if you got debt, which he's probably got a bunch of debt, pay off that debt, or put the rest away for retirement. That's probably your best bet.
I was lucky. I got an advance with the TurboTax. They gave me my tax money a little bit early, so I barely was able to swing that. I mean,
I had no idea TurboTax did cash advances on your income tax refunds. That's interesting. I imagine they do it for a big fee, probably a percentage. If you know, please throw it in the comments.
can you not work with that?
Unfortunately, like I said, it's a huge difference between what the bank's asking versus what you have. The only way I can work with you is you have like a cosigner with a good credit score. Is that something you were able to get?
So he's trying to buy a $60,000 Camaro with a cash advance on his income tax. And he's asking if he can find a co-signer. I'm guessing anyone he would ask would laugh in his face.
No, I'm not able to get a cosigner.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, so I try to work as much as I can. I even called the bank, but unfortunately I can't work with 10,000 down. The car is priced around 60,000. Are you opposed to like a regular Camaro SS? It's still got the V8. It's a manual. Oh, and by the way, both these cars are manual. Are you able to drive a manual transmission car?
No, I'm not. I can learn, but
That's a little frustrating to hear. Any performance car like this has to be a manual transmission. I'm surprised he would want an automatic transmission on a Camaro. That's all I buy is manual.
I honestly was interested in that ZL1. I like that big ass wing they got on there.
Definitely not the best reason to purchase a car because you like the wing. This Camaro ZL1 has about 650 horsepower. So it's not really your daily driver type car. It's basically a race car.
Yeah, it's a nice car, man. It's one of my favorite cars. It's super fast, and it's a 1LE package. So again, it's going to be more expensive than the standard ZL1 just because of the car and the spec. I mean, we could put a wing on a Camaro too. I
mean, it's nice that he's given him options, but he's really in a tough position where he's got to sell for his job, but he's selling to people who really can't afford it.
They sell tons of aftermarket ones for the SS. We can put it on there if you'd like. Are you looking at exact or just a ZL1?
Honestly, I'm so in love with that ZL1.
I've never purchased a car that I love. I've only purchased cars that are very reliable, very good gas mileage, and that's it, to get me from point A to point B.
It's the wheels, it's got the front bumper, it's got the wing on it.
Okay.
I mean, you talk about that's two different cars, man.
So this is all about the outward appearance for him. He's going to go $60,000 in debt just so people see him in this expensive car. I mean, it's clear.
And it's way faster than the Hellcat, I heard. So I'm trying to. My cousin got a Hellcat. I'm trying to beat up on him a little bit.
Like I said in my last video, it's scary people like this can actually be behind the wheel of a car driving.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna tell you right now, it is faster than Hellcat, and his car is modded. But look, man, I can't get you in that one, but I have a very nice Camaro SS. It's priced at $26,000. Black on black, stick shift, and I can get you in that one for sure. I already ran the numbers, and the interest rate's really good.
This guy really shouldn't be purchasing a car, but if he has to buy one, why not get that cheaper one? The SS model would be a better choice. Why would you need 650 horsepower for a daily driver? Doesn't make any sense. You're going to get yourself killed.
and the bank approved you with 10,000 down, you'd only be financing around 16 to 17,000 on this one.
So yeah, man, I just want that ZLE. I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to whoop on some Hellcats. I don't want an SS.
So what I'm hearing is I want what I want because I want it. He wants to go $60,000 in debt so he can have a faster car than his cousin. Perfect. That's just great.
Okay, man. Yeah.
I got this tax money, and I'm trying to put it towards getting this ZLE, and that's pretty much the only thing I'm gonna want to get in. If you can't make that work for me, then I'm gonna have to go elsewhere with my money.
And he's gonna find a place that is gonna sell him a car, and it's gonna be a crazy high interest rate, and it's gonna be the worst mistake he's ever made.
I got you, man. So here's the thing. So the way that your credit score determines the interest rate, right? But your credit history is what determines the amount of money you can get, plus your income. You have decent income. However, you never financed a car that was above $10,000. So your biggest loan in your credit's $10,000. So the bank's not going to give you a $50,000+ loan.
So it actually sounds like he's got decent credit. I know they don't say a number, but if they are willing to give him a loan, he's had $10,000 loan before. He's approved for whatever it was, $18,000 or $15,000 for the SS Camaro. But the way he's going, choices he's making, he's going to have some pretty bad credit down the road.
But again, so they approved you with the standard Camaro. It's $26,000. So what you can do is you can finance this one, pay it off for 6 months worth of payments. And then, in 6 months to a year, you can get the ZL1 easily.
Now that really doesn't sound like a smart move. If he purchases the SS, pays 6-7 months, tries to sell that, buy the more expensive car, he's going to have negative equity in that SS Camaro. So horrible idea.
Man, trust me, you're gonna be able to get it. But the bank's just not gonna give you that huge amount unless you have a significant down payment. It's just too risky for them.
Nah, man. Honestly, I just really want that ZL1. I'm gonna have to go on somewhere else.
I appreciate the time, man. And if anything changes, I'll let you know.
All right, thanks, man.
Yep. Take care, man. Have a good day. Bye.
So it's great this guy didn't actually purchase the car. His money's safe in his bank account, or it should be. But eventually he is going to find someone to give him that loan. It's going to be that crazy high interest rate, and he's really, really going to regret it. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember, if you could, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. Have a wonderful day.